On today's video, we're going to be replacing this escutcheon plate. Now, we bought the whole package that comes with the sleeve as well as the handle. The problem with this is because of the hard water, the calcium deposits, it makes it very difficult to maintain and clean it. And a lot of times it just takes away from the shine. So we're gonna go ahead and just replace it. It's a quick, simple job that can be done by anybody. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the handle. When you're removing the handle, just be careful to make sure that you don't pull on the handle. A lot of times if you are working and the screw gets stuck and you try to pull on the handle, it'll obviously just shoot water out. So just want to make sure that you're holding the handle firmly against the tile towards the wall, and then you're removing the screw. You can see on the back of this handle, we have an extension piece. We're gonna need that to install it on the new handle. Now we're gonna pull out the sleeve. You can see the hard water just affects everything. On this one, there's a screw missing. That means at some point somebody worked on this, either to replace the cartridge or to clean it. So we had to replace it anyway. You don't want water ever getting back behind the wall. This can cause many issues that have to deal specifically with mold. You can see here, even when you look at the back, that the gasket was ripped out. What the gasket does is it keeps moisture from getting behind your escutcheon plate and going behind the wall. You can see the back of this escutcheon plate has the gasket. We're just going to tighten our screws. You don't have to over tighten it. You just want it to be nice and snug. Once both screws are secure, go ahead and insert your sleeve. On the new trim kit, it doesn't come with the extension piece. So we're going to reuse this, and then we're going to attach our handle. Take your screwdriver and just pop the front cover off. Slide your handle in. Go ahead and put your cover back on. The last thing you want to do is you want to test it. You just want to make sure the handle turns nice and freely and it's not too tight. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.